Alright, so yesterday I picked up a Rubik's Cube. Um, I saw one the other day and I was thinking, I never really learned how to solve one, and I was really curious. I was thinking to myself, I want to get one. I want to get a Rubik's Cube, see if I can solve it, learn how to solve it. Um, so yeah, I bought this yesterday and I spent a couple hours last night following step-by-step instructions by the official Rubik's Cube guide that I found online. I just downloaded a PDF and followed step-by-step instructions, and I practiced that for a couple hours last night. I had to keep referring back to the instructions to see, okay, what do I do in this situation? What's the next step? But this morning, actually, I I had it all fairly retained, and I was able to do it for the first time. Solve a Rubik's Cube without any instructions in front of me, without referring to a guide. So I'm just kind of like, you know, shuffling it back and forth. I'm not really paying attention to which way it's going. I couldn't memorize all the steps I've done here, so it should be perfectly random for me to start trying to solve. So I did it, I've only done this once without the instructions, and it took me about 6 minutes. So I'm about 2 minutes into this video, so I may get up to 10 minutes this video, but we will see. I might be explaining a couple things along the way as well, so that may take some extra time. So it might be longer than 10 minutes. All right, so I'm gonna start with this yellow center and make what they call the daisy. Um, and trying to get this. Okay, there we go. Okay, got the daisy, which is the 4 white squares around the yellow center. And then I'm going to align there, there, scroll down, and flip there until we get a white cross on the bottom. Now I'm trying to fill in the rest of the white corners. So I'm just gonna follow that, make sure that's in the right spot, go there, mumbling to myself, don't mind me. Orange and green, go there. Alright, blue and red, go there. And then the other white one is orange and blue. Go there, flip it out of the way, go back, come back. Okay. Go there. And the white side is solved. Alright, so that's the first layer. And alright, I've got the red middle layer solved. Alright, what have we got? We can go green. Gotta go green, orange to this one. I've got to get this cube down to here. So I've got to go back, up, over, down, over, flip. All right, and now that square is there. The orange and the green are in the right spot. Okay, so now what do I've got? Blue and orange. So now I'm trying to get this blue-orange square. Blue-orange. Down to here. Blue-orange to here. So, gotta go back, up, do, 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 and do. Alright, and there it is. The blue and the orange sides are now formed, and all the rest of the middle sides are formed. Alright, now just gotta do the top layer. So I'm looking at this top yellow pattern. Gotta find the right one, so I'm gonna start with there. And so I'm looking at, everything's reversed, but so there's, I'm actually mirrored here, unfortunately, but I'm looking at a backwards L here. The yellow is a backwards L. I chanced out that I have a yellow backwards L from my perspective. It's an L in the video that you're seeing, but you could either have the backwards yellow L, or a line down the middle, or just a square in the middle, and you choose whichever one of those that you see, whether a straight line across the middle, backwards L, or just any direction with the yellow square in the middle, and then that's where you orient your square. So this is the front face, and so it goes referring to the pattern, the mnemonic device that the Rubik's Cube guide suggested, which is fur says arf, which is front, up, right, up, right, front. Okay, and okay, now I've got a yellow cross here. I would just have to keep repeating that pattern over and over until I get this yellow cross, which I've got, and now it's in the shape of a fish. So I turn the fish so that it's facing to my left, and that's what I face. And then I go, and I'm trying to get all the yellow squares on the top here. And so the pattern in this case is going to be up, left, down, left, up, left, left, down. Okay, now I got another fish again, so I've got to turn the fish back so it's on my left, and I just repeat the pattern: up, left, down, left, up, left, left, down, and boom, there's the yellow top layer. All right, and now, oh no. Well, let's see here, what do I have here? Okay, so I have diagonal, okay, diagonal adjacent cubes. I'm trying to get all the corner squares aligned. You see how these corners aren't really matching with their respective faces, so I'm just trying to get the corners solved. So the pattern for this is, I think I'm just going to pick a side and go, give me a minute, trying to remember. It was, oh, it was something weird. Run to me fast, run to me back, back, okay. Run away fast, run to me back, back, run away, yeah, okay. Okay, so we've got that, and I've got to repeat the pattern for, well, let's try it like that. Okay, so we go on top, run to me fast, run to me back, back, run away fast, run to me back, back, run away, boom. All right, and there we go. We got all the corners aligned, so it's just this one edge in the middle that's that needs to be fixed. So, and the pattern for that is just, since none of them are matching, normally I would have one side face completely solved, and then that would be the back. So it's the back to me. If this was completely filled, I would use this face facing me as my orientation, but since none of them are solved, I just pick whichever one to start with. So I'm starting with this green face. None of them are solved. Let's just, none of them, they're all on opposite sides. So the green and the blue are opposite each other. So, and the orientation for that is double left, boom, boom, flip, boom, boom, flip, boom. Okay. Okay, we got the red side solved, so that'll be the back for me, and I'll work on this side. So I'm trying to get the green square over to the left, my left. Okay, so red's on the back, so we're gonna go green to the left. Right? No, no. You flip it first. Flip the front first, then to the left, then down, down. Flip the front, up, up, turn. No, don't do that yet. Maybe I do. Yes, I do. I do that, and look at that. It's solved. Woo! I did it. Yeah. With explanations, about 10 minutes, but I solved a Rubik's Cube. Haha.